Hi everyone, today we will discuss the Pythagorean Theorem, one of very important formula here. A squared plus b squared equals c squared in right triangle here. If I draw one more right triangle, sometimes we say this one is a leg, this is also a leg, that are adjacent to right angle, and opposite of a right angle is the hypotenuse. If this one is L1, this is L2, for example, and this is a hypotenuse H, then we can say L1 squared plus L2 squared equals hypotenuse squared. Okay, please note that these two pictures shows the same information. Now here, let me briefly explain why we have this one. It's some kind of a proof. We have a big square. Inside we have a small square with four congruent right triangles. Let this is A, this is B, this is C. Then we can say that this is also A, this is B, this is C. This is A, this is B, this is C. A, B, C, right? So in this picture, using geometry, we can say that if we have a four small right triangle plus one tilted square must be the same as a big square, right? So if I try to find the area of each part, right triangle, area of the right triangle is 1/2 times base times height, right? And area of the small square inside of the big square will be c squared, and area of the big square will be, since one side is a plus b, now a plus b squared. Is it correct? Okay, if I simplify this one, this will be 2ab plus c squared. This one will be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If we simplify this one, we have only c squared equals a squared plus b squared, right? Which is Pythagorean Theorem. Okay, we will try to solve some equation. Here we have a right triangle. Two legs have the length 3 and 4. What is the hypotenuse? We can write the Pythagorean theorem directly. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals x squared, right? So this is a 9 plus 16 equals x squared. So 25 equals x squared. X is plus or minus 5, but since x is the length, we will choose only positive number. Okay, Next one. In the case one leg is a variable, so when you write the Pythagorean theorem, you must write 5 squared plus x squared, right? Which is 13 squared. So this is 25 plus x squared equals 169. If you subtract 25 from both sides, x squared equals 144. So x, if I choose a positive number only, it will be 12. Okay, one more. Wow, in the case we have two variables, one leg and one hypotenuse. Although they contains the same variable x. Again, we can write the Pythagorean theorem from this picture. X squared plus 7 squared equals x plus 1 squared, right? Again, x squared plus 49. If I multiply this one, this will be x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now we can cancel out x squared, x squared. If you subtract 1 to eliminate 1 from right side, this will be 48 equals 2x. If you divide both sides by 2, x will be 24. Okay, so this will be 20, not 5, 24, and this will be 25. It's okay. So let me copy Pythagorean theorem again with the different variable. If you have A, B, C by some reason, don't memorize Pythagorean theorem as simply a squared plus b squared equals c squared. In this case, you must write two leg first. So a squared plus c squared equals b squared. Is okay? Again, if you have if, for example, if this is A, this is B, this is C, then B squared plus C squared equals A squared. This is the Pythagorean theorem. Good? Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.